What's up? We back again with another video. Today we got a single cab Silverado step side in for a sunroof install, 2-button kit with the black suede headliner. Here's the black suede. Like I said, I pre-make them. I stock up on these headliners so that way it makes it the install a lot easier and faster, and I can get the customer in and out. But let's check it out. Here's the truck. This thing's clean. Like I said, we have the sunroof installed already. It's got the crock. Sunroof's in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bracket on and start wiring it up. It'll be a quick, fast install. Got customers from Gallup, New Mexico. Get them in and out. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, we back. We got the install done. These single cabs, if I pre-make the headliner, I could get them in within 2.5 hours, 3 maybe max. Quick and easy. That way I can get the customer back on the road, and he's in and out. So let's check it out.
Perfect.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for the Silverado single cab, in and out. This thing came out nice, real clean. We got another one in. They just took the red Silverado, the step side, that one I just did about an hour ago. They dropped this one off. This one's from Oklahoma. So we're going to go ahead and install a 5-button soft touch kit and then black out the inside with black headliner. Let's check it out. Here's what it's looking like. The usual typical grayish tan, whatever you want to call it. But alright, I'm going to go ahead and pull it in the garage because it is getting hot. And then we'll start the process. All right, little update. We got the headliner cut out and the hole for the sunroof is all ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and install the sunroof, put my bracket on, and then we'll start wiring it up. All right, stay tuned. All right guys, Silverado's done. Truck number 2 for today. Let's check it out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the install. Truck number 2 came out real clean, real good. Blacked out the top consoles, the visors, the rear clips, and what else? The pillars with the handle, both pillars. So it just blends everything into the truck. These already come factory black and not the front pillars, which is weird. So I went ahead and painted those to match the back. Now everything blends in, everything is one. It looks real good. I called the customer up, he's on his way. Like I said, his truck's from Oklahoma. I've done a few of them already from Oklahoma. So we got a lot more videos coming. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below, see what you guys think. I did get my, I had my seats done for the OBS. Do a quick little sneak peek of it. But that's gonna be it for this truck. Customer's on his way. This is my OBS Denali clone. I just got my seats done. They came out real good. I'm gonna send out my door panels. I'm gonna spray my door panels red, just how I did the dash. And then I'm gonna have the inserts in the suede and the carpet bottom part where the grill's at. I'm gonna have that in suede. And then I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest of the plastics. I do have some plastics in here. I do gotta replace those ones on that side. I do have the pillars, and then I just gotta redo my my headliner with red suede, and then finish up my box. I am gonna paint the box. I was gonna wrap it in this leather type, but that's gonna be it. I'll do a lot more videos on this truck. Like I said, subscribe, Rob's Customs. Alright guys, enough for the OBS. Customer's on his way. Pick up the Silverado, throw a decal on there, call it good.